Hey everyone, welcome back to AWS Cast. This is Intermediate AWS. Today we're talking about VPCs with public and private subnets. As a quick overview, this is the architecture that we're going to be creating. Here we go. For the public instance to come online, I'm going to go ahead and create the private instance. Remember, I'm just going to install a simple web server. And the way we have it configured, it should only be accessible from the public subnet, not out through this public internet connection. So to do that, we're going to go in and hit Launch Instance. Again, simple Amazon Linux, free tier eligible. Remember to select the correct VPC that we created earlier, and again the private subnet. So for testing's sake, I'm going to enable auto-assign public IP. Ideally, you probably wouldn't do this if you really don't want it to be accessible, but I'm just trying to prove a point with security. Then we'll go down and make sure you expand this advanced options. And for me, I'm going to put this simple script. Again, we install a simple web server, turn it on, make sure it comes on. If a reboot would ever happen, change into the web server's serving directory. And then instead of public page works, I'm putting private page works because we are in the private web server. So next we're going to add storage, and I don't need any more to that. For convenience, I'm going to make sure I'm going to label this as my private instance. And then I'm going to select a security group. Again, we want to make sure we choose the private security group. We're allowing traffic on port 80 and 22 only from the public security group, right? Next, we'll hit review and launch. Everything looks splendid. Launch. I have that key, I hope. And we'll wait for it a moment to come online.